America. This is your First Lady, Michelle Obama, and as always, Barack and I have always committed to making sure that we got our feet on the ground and know exactly what the American people are going through. I am in Houston, Texas, and I'm going to give you a tour of an urban apartment. Follow me. Okay, so the first thing you notice is that landscape is not necessarily a priority right now. And maybe they're going towards something. They're getting there, and you also see that trash receptacles aren't exactly a priority either. So maybe we can get that rectified before we leave. Let's go on inside. All right. Okay, so an apartment. And apart from the first thing I see on the wall is a little bit of blood. This is okay. It's quaint. It is quaint, and this is a very interesting locking device, and yeah, and I guess that works to keep people out, sort of. And maybe I should have kept my SSA agents today. Oh, and of course, inner city Walmart blinds. What apartment would not be finished without the Walmart? They don't keep anything in or out, but Walmart blinds. Yeah. Here, an excellent example of American ingenuity. This would be the inner city version of an entertainment center. This is what our forefathers and the founders of America had in mind. Ingenuity. That's what they had in mind, right there. Okay, let's check out the backyard. You can actually see the back door from the front door, but it gives you a cozy feel. Right, cozy. And this door is hasn't been cleaned in some time. Yes, but about a gallon of bleach, turpentine, or gasoline would get that all, or a new door maybe would be, you know. But this was where you would have all your barbecues and family gatherings. And we're just gonna step out on the back portion. Well, that's broken. So we're just gonna put this locking device back in place, and there it is. Okay, so let's go into the kitchen. The center of most homes is the kitchen. This is where you prepare your meals and you gather, and there won't necessarily be a lot of gathering in here, but normally kitchens are gathering places. This one I can almost touch. And then there's just a distinct smell of, I guess, pesticide, maybe. Ah! But it's not necessarily doing its job. Woo. Okay. We'll leave the kitchen. Let's travel to the bathroom, because if you find a bathroom, ladies, if you can get a bathroom, you can get it nice and clean, you can make a home, right? And most bathrooms might not. Okay, I'm sorry, but I think we're gonna have to end the tour right here because